Hi everyone, this is a Macquarie University School of Computing project, and today we'll be talking about how to get started with processing for Java and a bit of an introduction. Firstly, we need to download and install processing. Let's head over to the processing website. Download from the top menu bar and click the download link that matches your computer's operating system. We also only suggest using stable releases of processing and not any beta version that may be available. Version 3.5.4 is our latest stable release, and that's the version we'll be using throughout this video. Once the installer has downloaded, double-click it from your Downloads folder and follow the prompts to correctly install. When you first open processing and begin the new file, it will first show a blank window with the word sketch and the date at the top of the window. This is important to note because processing files runs as sketches, and we will be using both visual and non-visual demonstrations throughout. We have a run button at the top of the window. Next to it is a stop button. These control when our program starts and ends. We can see the lines numbered down the left-hand side of our text editor, which is very useful. We also have a black area at the bottom called the console. Any errors or statements we print will be displayed down here. On the far right-hand side, we also have a bug icon. This turns off and on the debug mode, which we'll talk about more in a later video. Now, let's print our first statement. We will keep things nice and simple and just print hello there in the console. Printing to the console uses the print statement, so we start with the print keyword. Now, we use the rounded brackets to pass in a value. These values will be printed in the console at the bottom. We are printing a sentence or a string of words, and we need to wrap them in double quotes to tell our program how we wanted to use the values. Then, we close the bracket and add a semicolon at the end of the line. These semicolons tell our program that the line or statement has ended. We then click the Run button to run our program and see that Hello There has appeared in the console. You may notice the little window that pops up in front of our processing. This will be where any images or shapes we draw on the screen go in the future sections. This little window is called the sketch window. That's all we have for this segment. See you soon.